Although Ferrari has embraced the process of electrification, it has no intention of abandoning its traditional V12 engines. Firstly, such an engine is installed in the Ferrari Purosangue crossover, and secondly, a new supercar debuted under the straightforward name of Ferrari 12Cilindri. It replaces the 2017 model Ferrari 812 Superfast and continues the legacy of the classic 12-cylinder Gran Turismo cars that the company started with. However, expecting the introduction of a completely new engine at this time would be naive. The Ferrari 12Cilindri is equipped with an aluminum F140 engine with a 65-degree angle and a dry sump, which has been in use since 2002. The new F140 HD version closely resembles the engine of the 2021 812 Competizione Coupe, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter engine with direct fuel injection at a pressure of 350 bar, titanium connecting rods that are 40% lighter than steel ones, lightweight crankshaft and pistons, as well as a variable performance oil pump. To comply with modern Euro 6e emission standards, the exhaust system had to be completely redesigned and a particulate filter installed. Unfortunately, this has affected the performance. Yes, the power remains the same as the 812 Competizione model, 830 horsepower. However, the torque has decreased. If the base Ferrari 812 had 718 Nm of torque and the Competizione version had 692 Nm, now it is 678 Nm. However, the engine delivers 80% of its torque already at 2,500 revolutions per minute, and the cutoff only occurs at 9,500 revolutions per minute. The transmission is new. Instead of the previous 7-speed robot on the rear axle, there is now an 8-speed pre-selective transmission from Magna, which first appeared on the SF90 model and is now used in all Ferrari models. It shifts 30% faster than the previous gearbox. The car is exclusively rear-wheel drive. The Ferrari 12Cilindri has a fully adjustable chassis with the PCV3 system and the electronic side slip control 8 system for managing drifts, while the 812 Competizione Coupe has the 7th version. This system has increased cornering speed by 10%. The main technical innovation is the brake-by-wire system. Unlike the 812 model, the new coupe has a shortened wheelbase by 20 mm and a stronger body. Stiffness has increased by 15%. The design resembles models from the 1960s. For example, the shape of the headlights and the front of the Ferrari 12Cilindri is reminiscent of the classic Daytona model. The hood, traditionally for front-engine Ferraris, is hinged at the front and opens forward. The length of the car is 4,733 mm, width 2,176 mm, and height is 1,292 mm. The coupe comes standard with a glass roof panel. At the same time, the Ferrari 12Cilindri Spider convertible with a folding hardtop was also shown, which transforms in 14 seconds. Both versions are equipped with active aerodynamic elements, a pair of shields at the corners of the stern that rise at speeds above 60 km per hour, increasing downforce. This mode, high downforce, is activated at the discretion of the electronics up to a speed of 300 km per hour, but these shields only work synchronously, meaning they cannot distribute downforce in turns. The maximum speed exceeds 340 km per hour. The coupe has a dry weight of 1,560 kg and can accelerate to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds, and reach 200 km per hour in 7.9 seconds, the same as the previous Ferrari 812 Superfast model. The convertible is 60 kg heavier, so its dynamics are slightly worse, 3 seconds and 8.3 seconds respectively. The interior is done in the same style as the Purosangue crossover, but here there are already 3 screens instead of 2. The instrument display is 15.6 inches, the central display is 10.25 inches, and the passenger screen is 8.8 inches. In line with the times, there is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless smartphone charging, and partially recycled materials are used for upholstery, with 65% of the Alcantara made from plastic waste. It features a Burmester audio system with 1,600 watts of power and 15 speakers. Sales of the Ferrari 12Cilindri supercars will begin in the 4th quarter of this year. In its native Italy, the coupe will cost from €395,000, and the Spider will start at a minimum of €435,000.